Hello friends, so today we will discuss about how to install ATMT Pro application in your Android phone. First you have to Google ATMT. With the completion of search, you will get a result of ATMT Pro application with our company's authorized website atmthub.com. From here you can download the ATMT Pro application. Once the download is complete, you just have to open the ATMT Pro application, click on yellow arrow. You will redirect to the new page. From this page you have to create your own account if you are a fresh user. First you have to click on don't you have an account, create. Here you have to put all the information about the user. Please ensure that the phone number used for the ATMT registration is an Indian number that is active on the same device. Next, in the PIN code section, please ensure that you enter a valid existing Indian PIN code. You have to manually add the verification OTP that is delivered on your registration number. Once the verification is completed, you have to manually add the valid activation key. After applying the ATMT Pro activation key, you will next redirect to the ATMT Pro settings page. Here you have to allow all the settings which will activate all the features in your Android phone. In the accessibility section, you have to click on download apps. Then you have to click on ATMT Pro. If the setting is restricted, then you have to move back to your home screen. Here you have to long press on ATMT Pro application. Then you have to click on app info. Here in the right hand side corner you can see three dots. You have to click on it. If the restricted setting is not available on three dots, you just simply have to scroll your screen. There you will get the option of allow restricted setting. Later you can see the option of allow restricted setting. You have to turn it on. Next, go to the permission page. Again click on accessibility button. Again click on downloaded apps. And now you can activate the ATMT Pro application from here. Grant the last permission of device admin. Activate this device admin app. Once all the permissions are granted, you have to add a 4-digit PIN for Siren. Welcome to ATMT Pro homepage. Here you can see the emergency contact. In emergency contact, you have to add 2 valid Indian contact numbers to get tracking results. Here you can add your emergency contact manually, or you can select your emergency contact from your phone book. Once both the emergency contact are added, just go to the profile and you can check all the details in the profile section. Thank you.